Can you put them in the pot? No, Claire, that's not where the potatoes go. Can you put them back in the pot, please? Thank you. You can get it. Can you get it? Good. Can you put it in the pot? Oh. Good job. Yay, all done! Yeah! You went down? Good job, yay!